Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the MX Keys Mini from Logitech. This is in graphite. They also come in a white color, which I'll show you the box here, but you'll find this video on the channel at another time. So the MX Keys Mini is a MX Keys type keyboard. If you've seen their larger ones from Logitech, great key style. Fits the fingers very nicely. It has a very good amount of travel. Just a little bit of clicky noise, not mechanical clicky noise, but just a little bit. Have your nice caps lock keys here. It has your inverted T arrow keys right here. They're individual, they're not on a rocker for up and down, because we know we like individual keys for everything. Spacebar feels nice. Even the shift key is fully scalloped out. All the keys except for the function row keys are scalloped. Then you have, since this is Bluetooth, it can connect to 3 different devices. The function keys here, so you can use it on a laptop, a desktop, a tablet, and even a smartphone like this iPhone right here. Since it's Bluetooth, you just connect to it in the Bluetooth menu. It's very easy, there's no dongle needed. It has a USB-C port for charging and an on-off switch right here. This also is backlit capable, and it goes into pairing immediately when you turn it on. The battery lasts for quite a long time. As you can see, the lighting on the keyboard lights up a little bit in the darker area. So it's backlit keyboard as well. I also like that it has a bump here, so it provides some incline when typing. This is from Logitech, and it's the new MX Keys Mini. You can get it now. It works with Windows, PC, Mac, iPhone, iPad OS, and iOS as well. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.